So we have a working games console, but currently our one looks like that. We want it to look like that. So the next step is to go ahead and grab the two PCBs and to start snapping them off, filing them down, and do the final assembly so we end up with something that looks like that. Are you ready? Let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you want to do is grab the two PCB panels. Here you can see we've got panel 1, which has the two side panels, and panel 2, which we've already actually taken the soldering practice board off. First thing we're going to do is take panel 2 and start snapping off the components. Here you can see we can literally use our fingers just to snap everything off. However, some parts might be a little bit harder, like this one, and this is where the wire cutters come into place. Not to actually go ahead and cut them, but to use them to grab small edges like this and help us snap them off, like so. For these ones, we can just use our fingers once more to snap it off. And now we have our first completely snapped off part. Now for the small white blocks like this, once more you want to use your wire cutters to grab the small part, twist, and snap it off. For this one, we are actually going to just cut it off. If it is being a little bit rigid, you can just straight snap it off. But it's not advisable as that part will fly off, and for safety reasons, we don't really want that flying around the room. So now using the same method, we want to go ahead and snap off all the different parts. And that was the final part. So now we are ready to take our handful of parts and actually go ahead and file the edges to make them nice and smooth.